Snow globe check. New Vegas style. They got bears on them. Well, a lovely, kind of chilly day in Portland, Oregon. Well, here's my box of bobbleheads. Number 31. QR code's on the bottom. Let's get started. First stop, Happy Valley Veterans Memorial Park. A memorial for the veterans here. I know I'm getting flack for littering. So, how about I put this guy right beside this soldier's feet. Well, next up on the tour, the North American Bigfoot Center. They got photos of Bigfoot here. They gotta be real lucky to find Bigfoot, so it's going here.
Go inside the house. I give you the keys. I said, well, that's what it is. But I see outside. Yeah, that's, so I made a ring.
Still there. Wow, look at all these trees. Well, I'm somewhere near Fort Hood. Good place to put observation, or Mount Hood. Mount Hood, that is. I'd like to go on the top of Mount Hood, but I think that would take a few hours, so I'll just leave it at the campground sign here. Such a pleasant drive. But it's raining, it's snowing. All these trees look nice. Okay, next stop, Madras. Where I am at right now is an agricultural center run by the Oregon State University. Yeah, they have a discovery garden over there. Yeah, and looks like some sort of weather device machine. Can't say what it is myself. Anywho, I'll leave the science bobblehead here. Well, it looks like the glasses didn't come out right. Okay, well, hopefully people will harmlessly get to it here. Actually, I'll just leave it right on top of here. There it is. Next up is somewhere in Redmond, Oregon. I was looking for places with energy, electricity. I found this place. Looks like an electric shop. Flat. It's got a lightning bolt on it. Oh, I know where. How about at the pickup place here? Yeah, come to the 24-hour pickup, pick this up.
In 1 mile, turn left onto US 97 South toward Bend.
Holy crap, it's real. I just had to come here, the final Blockbuster. So now, maybe I can get my prints from Pokemon Snap, if they have that kiosk. I have just been told the Pokemon Snap kiosk is not here. So people actually rent movies here?
They do, yeah, absolutely, man.
Is it true that they keep the movies and just keep paying the late fee?
Not often. It does happen, though, occasionally.
I've heard stories like that.
This is cool, man. I've never seen one of these.
Yep, Game Boy camera with the printer. And you're probably maybe the only Blockbuster employee to get one to ever get one.
You know what? You might be right, man.
Yeah. I actually took photos of a Blockbuster thing at a Comic-Con, and someone who runs the Instagram said, yeah, come over here.
Nice. Yeah, of course, man.
All right.
This is rad. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Well, there's no Pokemon Snap machine here, but there is some cards that say Pokemon Snap. Ugh, Blockbuster beer. I can't exactly bring it on a plane. Oh well. And I don't drink beer. Man, spent some bottle caps on some merch here. Speaking of bottle caps, let's put barter right next to the sign. It's gonna go down there. The time is 4:38. Getting dark. The next bobblehead, Endurance, at the Santiam Snow Park place. Yes, somewhere in the Big Bear Trail. Well, the paths I want to go on seem to be blocked, but, well, it's gonna be a difficult one, but I'll just leave it where the bathrooms are. Driving through snow. Never a good idea. It's like being on the Indiana Jones ride at Disneyland. Except it's way scary.
Turn right, then turn right onto Santiam Highway.
Things are gonna be slow. It's wet, snowing. Yeah, I'm gonna be stuck behind a truck for a while. Next stop, Mill City. Well, I had what felt like a long, scary drive through rural Oregon. I put the GPS to Mill City, so, well, may as well leave it at the fire station here. Okay, second, change my mind. Right where it says Mill City Fire Department. More driving at night in what feels like almost the middle of nowhere. There's a stop along the way. Place that has gingerbread cookies. Next stop on the tour is Salem, Oregon. On the way to the capital to leave another bobblehead. Well, this is the Oregon State Capitol in Salem. Yeah, that camera's wondering what I'm doing. Anyway, I'm just gonna leave this guy right here. Yep, littering with extra steps as usual. Okay, and here he goes. Later, right here at the Oregon State Capitol. Well, this is currently Woodburn, Oregon, north of Salem. And I spotted this water tower with a very nice locomotive. You know what? How about I put the repair bobblehead right under the historic locomotive? Not much to see driving at night. Okay, next stop. Probably the last stop for tonight. Gonna go to what could be a Fallout themed bar. Well, this is a bit awkward. I really wanted to visit this place, but as the sign says here, they've given their staff a paid mental health day. Well, if their staff needed it, then I'll respect it. All right, I'll just leave charisma here for them to find. Yeah, I'm not gonna be here tomorrow in time. I'll be out. Okay, well, right where it says no persons under 21. My mask fell off. Okay. Okay, hope they get it. Or someone does. Well, last day driving through Portland. 9 bobbleheads left. About 6.5 hours, so I gotta return the car. Let's do this. This is a lot of rain. I'm only here because of a deal on Southwest.com.
In half a mile, turn right onto East Reserve Street.
Well, this is Fort Vancouver. I don't know the history. Well, it's a fort. Pretty sure soldiers were here. Anyway, strength is gonna go here. Well, here's the intelligence bobblehead at the University of Portland on this rainy day. All right, here's a landmark. Oh, this bell tower with a cross. I'll just set it beside the door here. Well, I've been dropping these bobbleheads, it feels like outside the Portland Metro. You know, somewhere, in rural Oregon. That'd be a nice trip. Well, looks like I'm going into deep Portland here. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Stay in the second lane from right.
Well, next location. Wanted a medical center. I got the Providence Portland Medical Center, which is, well, it is a hospital. Let's make this easy to access. Yeah, put it by the sign here. Here it is.
Use the right lane to keep right.
Well, currently at the Portland Japanese Garden. Unarmed will go here. So calm here. Next up on the tour, the historic Pittock Mansion. Yeah, mansions are where I put the sneak. Because I'm pretty, who knows? Because sneak would be a good place to, you know, like to sneak around in a mansion, get all the valuables. Okay, where to put it? Under the bench.
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
My next destination, fourth from last, is dedicated to the Oregon Trail. Well, I guess I'll leave small guns at this location.
In 2 miles, take the exit to merge onto I-5 North toward Portland.
All right, for the agility bobblehead, I found what is called a bouldering gym at the circuit. I'll leave it there as people climb up to train climbing up boulders. Here's the agility bobblehead, here's the gym, see the rock climbing fixtures. Okay, time to leave it down. Okay, let's see who gets it.
At the light, turn right onto Southwest Hall Boulevard.
Entering Beaverton, Oregon for the next drop. Currently in lovely Beaverton, and I found a video pawn, a capital pawn, a video only capital pawn, Tammy's Hobbies, excuse me. You know what? I think lockpick would be good here. I want to look at these places first. Well, all very nice places. Anyway, let's drop this off. I gotta get to the airport later. I got one more bobblehead. Well, one more stop. Should be able to get it in time before my flight. Thanks, Oregon. Let's get this over with. Where am I at now? This is actually Oaks Amusement Park. Yeah, a lot of it seems to be closed down right now. Maybe because of the season. Well, there's an event going on. I'm gonna make this quick for the explosives bobblehead. Yeah, well, who knows why I'm doing it here. The explosives bobblehead. Okay. One more, well, here it is. Get the explosives bobblehead if you're in the area. Kaboom! I did it! A 9th city of bobbleheads. I'm happy. And that just puts a smile on my face. Again. Keep it classy, Portland. Keep it classy, Oregon. Where to next?